bar graph shows the number of points scored by Ken in 3 attempts. Probably a competition, or yeah, it's probably not an exam. You see, the first attempt 10 points. What I always tell my student is actually this: your first attempt 10 points, right? Go write down 10 at the top, so that while you're doing the working, you don't always have to keep on reading the graph. It's going to be a big waste of time. Okay, now 10 10 here. Second attempt he scored 8, so write 8. Third attempt he scored what? 16, so write 16. Okay, now then they said that after his 4th attempt, Ken managed to score a total of 44 points for all 4 attempts. How many points did he score in the 4th attempt? Very easy. We take the total score, which is 44, minus 10, minus 8, minus 16, and then you will get the score for the 4th attempt. Okay, so take 44, minus 10, minus 8, minus 16. Okay, 10 plus 8 will be 18, 18 plus 16, that will be 34. So it's 44 minus 34, that will be 10. So that means Ken scored 10 points for the 4th attempt. Easy, right? Done.